So generally when we get a rough diamond, before we start analyzing it, using whatever technology we have available, the easiest way to do it is to first visually inspect the stone. Do so using a normal 10-power loop, as well as some basic measuring tools to get an idea as to where we're going to go with the diamond, as far as what shape we're going to make, how big the stone will be, and what type of value we can extract out of any given piece of rough. Fortunately today we've got a lot of technology available to us which assists the marker or the planner of the diamond in confirming their thoughts and ideas for the polishing of the diamond. After visual inspection, what we would do is place the diamond in a machine like this, which essentially is it's a scanner, or acts almost like an MRI for a diamond. What it'll do, it'll take a video of the diamond, of the rough diamond, from all angles. Anytime we're analyzing a diamond, our ultimate goal is to achieve the maximum amount of value out of the diamond. Regardless of the size, we're also looking at the shape of the diamond as to what weight is going to give us the ultimate value. The choice of shapes that we make is not necessarily left up to the computer or the machine. This is the human element of the work that we do. Based on the overall shape of the piece of rough, the operator would determine what shape he feels would yield the maximum weight out of the stone. We then utilize the machine to do the calculations and assessments to determine whether the operator's initial ideas are accurate. Once we've utilized the machine to give us an idea as to the direction that we want to divide the diamond, we actually have to mark it using a simple ink marking pen. And what this is doing is giving the cutter or the polisher the instructions as to how they should divide the diamond, how they should go about cutting the diamond to achieve the desired results. Once we have it marked, the ink markings serve as instructions for the next stage of cutting. So once we've completed our marking process, we'll send the stone for laser sawing or dividing, which will divide the stone into two pieces based on our initial planning and measurements. As you can see, after the laser process, we have two pieces that are perfectly matched up with our initial planning of the stone. And from this stage, we'll move on to the bruting process. So once we're done with the analyzing of the diamond, we move on to the next stage, which is going to be the bruting or the rounding of the diamond. That's done on this machine by moving the diamond, which you can see over here, against a diamond impregnated wheel moving along the bottom over here. By bringing the two together gently, it acts as a type of lathe whereby we're taking the rough edges of the diamond and smoothing them out to bring it to a perfect circle. It's a relatively fast process. And when we're completed with the bruting process, what we're left with is a perfectly rounded diamond. Throughout the polishing stage or cutting stage of the diamond, we utilize the scanners several times to verify that the work that we're doing, be it from a bruting point of view or from an actual polishing point of view, is following our initial planning that was done at the early stages of the cutting of the diamond. The planner is used to not only to make sure that we're staying on track with our planning, but also to ensure that the angles at which the diamond is cut is going to achieve the optimum light performance and brilliance out of the diamond. Okay, so once we're done with the bruting process, we come into the factory where we start the grinding or polishing process. What we do is we'll take the diamond that has been bruted nice and round. We set it in one of these many tools over here. It's called a tongue or a dop. And from here we're able to, by holding it against the moving wheel, grind away the various facets on the diamond. So what most people consider as diamond cutting is actually diamond grinding or diamond polishing.